Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is UCanal channel about life in Canada, and today we're going to explore Hamilton, finally. I've been living in Canada for more than 2 years, guys, and this is me first ever time here in Hamilton. And I have lived like for 1 year in Toronto, in downtown, and 1 year in Niagara, in St. Catharines. And now just with my family we're exploring this Hamilton. So far I can see this is just first time here. I see like this is kind of industrial city. It's a bunch of industrial places what you can explore if you love this. I don't know. It sounds like not the best place like in terms of getting good quality air, like fresh air, because this is industrial city. That's expectable. But yeah, anyway, like it's this like playgrounds here, some waterfall, and this is going to be like some military ship in here, some military boat, and we're going to explore this. I believe I need to pay like maybe like $5 or something. So we'll check this out right now if we'll have some time. It's open until 5 p.m. So yeah, guys, we're going to try today some Mexican food because I love Mexican food, and I'm going to show you like downtown in here. And yeah, let's see how it goes, and let's kick it off, guys. Okay, pretty tight here, but not actually bad, not bad. Pretty nice experience, guys. First of all time in military boat. Just check this out. It's kind of awesome. You can sit here, just have some meeting and discuss like whole strategy. It's kind of good. It's like luxury, guys. Okay guys, so far so good. My son just so excited about all this experience. Just $5 for adult and free for my son. And guys, this is just experience for such an adventure, you know, to have with your kids, to have some entertainment, to get you busy, fun, and to get your kids busy, you know guys, what I'm trying to say. So this is kind of a good place to explore and must have to visit, guys. Strongly recommend. So guys, this is just awesome experience. All this military boats. I can try to just to imagine how it should be not easy to make it. You know, how to live in here with all this tight space. It's not a bunch of space. It's pretty good actually, unexpectedly, I should say. But anyway, can you imagine like if you're in the middle of the ocean and you hold the stressful situation with the war, real war, and this is tight space. I believe like it's more about friendship. Yeah, you definitely can make this a good friends for your entire life, because it's like, you can imagine all this experience in real life. This is just insane. But yeah, in terms of exploring, having some fun, this is a really good one. This is like museum, I should say, and this is a must have to visit here in Hamilton. So yeah, friends, just a heads up, you can park your wheels in here without like any problem. And I believe it should be like admission should be for free. And yeah, just a heads up, another heads up. So 4:15, this is the last point in time when you can make it to inside, you know, to get these tickets. It's open until 5 p.m. but the last admission like 4:15. So just a heads up, guys. Such a good place to explore, guys. Like 5 stars from 5 stars, I should say. This is definitely for space for with kids to explore this, to discuss all this history side of our life. It's a good way to discuss it with your kids, you know, because we need to give this information to our kids to memorize everything, like to avoid happening something in the future, which actually not easy and it's still happening. But anyway, let's believe in the positive future. Such a good waterfront line, guys, I should say. Like, it's maybe even better than we've got in Burlington, actually. And yeah, unexpectedly, like, it's not crowded, you know, like there's a bunch of people in here. This is like Saturday, and you can see it's almost empty. And of course it's marine in here. Not sure what is going on just right or there. Looks like some busy place. I see a bunch of people there. But overall, guys, it's really good. This is famous Canadian geese. As always, everywhere you can find some geese. Yeah, pretty enjoyable place, guys. Okay guys, good place, must see, but let's get out of here and let's find some Mexican food, because it's kind of hot today, but it was rainy today. It was like actually stormy, and yeah, good place. Enjoy.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Okay guys, such a lovely experience here in downtown. Like actually we can do it in quads. So yeah, definitely the Hamilton not about downtown experience. It's just kinda doesn't feel safe, you know guys. It's comparing to Toronto. You can find in Toronto some maybe like neighborhoods like this in downtown. But here, like, it feels everything like this. We were trying to find some Mexican food, you know, but because how it looks like at the street, actually, it wasn't like, I didn't get a good appetite to just try this food. But anyway, we found some shawarma place, and it was kind of good and with a good price. And I probably can share this link under this video for this place. Affordable price, nice like halal food. So for Muslim, if you Muslim, I don't know. So this is park what we got here. This is Honk Mobile. This is cost me $5, and yeah, you can park here, or you can park just in front of this place with shawarma, and it's going to be for free. And actually, like, that's it for downtown experience. I don't want to spend here anymore, like, some time, and we're just heading back to Niagara, to St. Catharines. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed looking at this video. Actually a bunch of stuff I explored today. It was really good, this military boat. It's kind of must have to visit. What about downtown? This is not about downtown. I know it's a bunch of places you can visit here in Hamilton. For example, outside, like a bunch of waterfalls, a bunch of good trails. It's a good place to explore, but not in downtown. So just, yeah, never stop being an explorer. I'll try to catch you in the next one. Bye bye. Thank you for watching this one.